Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house, and I'm gonna make some homemade tahini for you. Because in the next recipe, I'm gonna make some hummus. Alright, so let's get into this video. You need a pot or a frying pan or a wide pan. So right here I have my stove on medium to low. So now guys, you're gonna need some sesame seed. All right, and I'm gonna put 1 cup. All right, if you want to make a lot, then use 2. Okay, and what you want to do, you just want to stir maybe for 4 to 5 minutes until it start to brown up a little bit, but not burnt or have that smell or sesame seed roasted flavor. Sesame seed is good for you. Sesame seed has a lot of fiber, lots of calcium in it, and other nutrients. Protein too. It's a superfood here, guys, sesame seed. So after you start to smell it a little bit, say 4 to 5 minutes, you want to get your food processor ready. Okay, all right my peeps, we're gonna turn the stove off because you don't want it to burn. All right, so after you have this kind of color, this is what you want. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the food processor and we're gonna let it cool for about a minute or 2, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. All right my peeps, so this is the color you want it to have, right? All right, and then we're gonna put this to our food processor, or in our food processor. We're just gonna puree it a little bit for, say, puree it until it start to form a crumble, maybe for 2 to 3 minutes. Here goes. Something like that. A tablespoon of olive oil. You don't have to, but I'm gonna put one. You can use any oil of your choice. All right, and you're gonna puree this again. You can make it watery or you can make it form a paste. It's up to you. Go ahead and brush the sides down. All right guys, we're almost there. Oh yeah, another blend and we're good to go. All right guys, I think this is it. Can you see that? So this is what you want. You want it to be creamy and nice. So it's gonna take a little while, but just continue to scrape the side down. All right, when you have it like this, just go ahead and scoop it out. See how nice it is? I didn't make much, but if you want to make more, go ahead. I make enough because I'm going to use it in my hummus, and I have a little jar here. All right guys, and you just want to pour it in. You can serve it up with some salt, but if you have high blood pressure, you can skip the salt. It's up to you. All right, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on the top, and then you can just mix it in. Okay, All right, and that's it, guys. That's my homemade tahini for you. Really simple and easy. Only 3 ingredients. You need some sesame seed, a little bit of olive oil or any oil of your choice, and a little bit of salt. And salt is optional. Like, if you don't like salt and if you have high blood pressure, stay away from the salt. And this is it. All right, love upon me and I love upon you, guys. This here is super healthy. You can use it in your hummus, which I'm gonna do now. You can use it in your salad, in whatever you want. All right, it can use to make a lot of recipe. You can just eat it like that. It's good for you. Lots of calcium, lots of fiber here, lots of protein. All right, and it has its own oil, so that's good for your health. Good heart health, guys. All right, I'll see you in my next video.